Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making Italian dressing. Now this is a quick, simple, and easy recipe to make Italian dressing out of things that you already have inside your pantry. All we have is these few ingredients. Now before we get into it, I just want to let you know I do have another YouTube channel. It's called Tagged Out. It's hunting, fishing, magnet fishing, things that involve the outdoors. If you're interested in that, you should definitely check that out. Don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's make this Italian dressing. We're going to start by working on our dry mix. And by that I mean we're taking all these dry ingredients and herbs, we're going to mix them together, and you can store it in an airtight container for months inside your cabinet. And then when you're ready for Italian dressing, I'll show you the rest of that as well. But for the dry mix, we need 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper and salt, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes if you want to add a little bit of heat, and we're also going to need a 1/4 a teaspoon of dried thyme. Now this is very simple. We're going to take all of our ingredients and go right into a bowl or a glass mason jar or any container that you want. Going to mix these together, and we're just going to shake them up till they're thoroughly combined. And just like that, we have our dry mix done. Now this is very similar to the packets of the Italian dressing that you can get in the store and that you can make yourself. Now we're going to turn this into Italian dressing. All we're going to need to turn this into Italian dressing is 2 tablespoons of our mix. We're also going to need 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. You can use any vinegar that you want. I really like the red wine vinegar. It adds a nice different element of taste to it. And we're also going to need 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. We're going to combine our olive oil, our vinegar, and our seasonings together. Just going to give this a whisk until it's thoroughly combined. I'm going to transfer it into a dressing container. I recommend that you let this sit, let's say anywhere for an hour, if not more, so that way those flavors really come together. But transfer this into our dressing container. I'm going to whip up a salad and we'll get a taste. Alright, let's get a taste. Now you can store this in your fridge for several weeks, but just make sure before you use it, you give it a good shake to get everything fully incorporated. Dress our salad. Let's dig in. Ooh, that's so good. It's light, it's refreshing. You get the herbs, the garlic, the onion. You get a little bit of sweetness. Get the tang from the vinegar. This is a fantastic Italian dressing. The seasoning is great. You can make this up, put it in cute little containers, give it as a gift. Just make sure you tell everybody the mixture for when they're ready for it. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget about my outdoor channel. I have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.